welcome back to Celebration. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on homecoming from the 23rd to 25th of March 2020, 6 on Monday. Pendulo's healthy gets no better, but Mamkwanyane is steadfast in her belief in Western medicine. Meanwhile, Ngarache wants to elope with Mangcobo, and Nomalanga is ready to prove her love for Spamandla on Tuesday. Mamkwanyane is impressed with Zeto's support concerning her son's health, while Ngarache finds himself at the mercy of Shwabi's brutal lesson. Nomalanga believes she's ready to take things to the next level until reality delivers a harsh wake-up call on Wednesday. Sifiso is inspired by Mamkwanyane's change of heart, while Mashabalala frets over Ngarache's disappearance. Mangcobo stumbles across some information that tends her concern to outright fear. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below.